Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create a bingo card on Canva. The first thing you want to do, once on Canva, you are going to tap on the search bar and you are going to type in bingo. As you can see right here, bingo card, you are going to tap on that. After you have selected it, you will be redirected to this page on which you will see numerous bingo card templates that you can choose from. So all you have to do is simply scroll down and select the template of your liking. And by the way, anyone that you see with the Pro right here, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber to Canva to get access to that particular template. But there are numerous free templates that you can choose from. So all you have to do is simply scroll down and select one to your liking. So let's say, for example, this particular one right here. You will simply tap on it. Then you are going to tap on customize this template. After you have tapped on customize this template, you will be redirected to this page on which you will be able to add your own personal touch to your bingo card. So for example, if you would like to change the wording, you can simply tap on the text box and highlight the text box. Then you will be able to type in whatever you want. You can change the font style by tapping in the top left hand corner, and from here you can select a font style that you would like to use. As you can see, there are numerous options you can choose from. Once you have found one to your liking, you can also change the color of the font by tapping on the capital A. So let's say I want this to be blue. I could simply tap on blue after I've highlighted the text. Then you'll see that the text is now blue. You can also change the image by simply tapping on the image right here, the background. Then you could change the background color if you want in the top left hand corner. So you could change the background color as you can see right there. And you can also edit the bingo card. For example, you can edit the images that are on the bingo card by tapping on the particular image. Then you could choose if you would like to delete it. And then you could go over to uploads, and from there you can add your own image that you would like to add. You can change the wording right here again. There are numerous options how you can customize it. And by the way, when I tap each box, you will see the colors right here of that particular image, meaning that you could use that color in that section right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. Once you are finished editing, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner, then select download to download your new bingo card.